Are you ready to conquer the trails, but unsure which tires will get you there? Welcome to our ultimate off-road tire guide, where we break down everything you need to know to pick the perfect set of tires for your adventure. Off-road tires are specially designed to handle rough terrains like mud, sand, rocks, and snow. But not all off-road tires are created equal. Choosing the right type depends on where you'll be driving and what your vehicle demands. Let's dive into the basics. There are three main types of off-road tires: all-terrain, mud-terrain, and rock-terrain. All-terrain tires are the jack of all trades. Perfect for mixed driving, they provide reliable performance on dirt, gravel, and paved roads. If you're an occasional adventurer, these are your go-to option. Mud-terrain tires are built for extreme conditions. Their aggressive tread patterns provide maximum grip in deep mud and loose dirt, but they can be noisier and less comfortable on paved roads. Rock-terrain tires are designed for serious rock crawlers. Their reinforced sidewalls and specialized tread patterns help prevent punctures and improve grip on jagged surfaces. They're a must-have for tackling extreme trails. The tread pattern determines your tire's grip and traction. For loose surfaces, deeper, more aggressive treads are key. For mixed use, look for finer, balanced designs. Strong sidewalls are crucial for off-road adventures. They provide durability and puncture resistance, especially when crawling over rocks or roots. Your tire size matters. Bigger tires mean better ground clearance and grip, but always ensure they're compatible with your vehicle's suspension setup. Here are some quick tips to make the right choice. Know your terrain. Will you be tackling mud, sand, rocks, or a mix of everything? Consider your driving habits. Daily driving versus weekend adventures. Set a budget. Premium tires can be pricey, but offer better durability and performance. Check reviews and ratings. Learn from other off-roaders' experiences. Your tires work hard, so keep them in top shape. Regularly check air pressure, inspect for cuts or damage, and rotate them frequently to ensure even wear. The right off-road tires can make or break your adventure. Whether you're exploring muddy trails or climbing rocky hills, there's a tire out there for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments about your favorite off-road tires.